Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if you're having an issue with the Windows Store button is disappearing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to resolve it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for services. Best match should come back with services. Go ahead and open that up. And now right here, you want to go down to the Microsoft Store Install service right here and double click on it. If service status is stopped, you want to go ahead and start it and then set startup type to automatic. So click on the drop down, select automatic and then apply and OK. And now you want to just go ahead and close out of here and then restart your computer. Hopefully that has resolved the issue. If you're still having a problem, we can attempt to reset the Microsoft Store. So just open up the search menu and type in WS Reset. Best match should come back with WS Reset. Go ahead and open that up. Give that a moment. And then once that's done, attempt to see if the install option is now available. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.